Hi there, it's Liz Yuille from Old Stables Crafts. Thank you very much for joining me again today. Today I don't have a project for you. Today I am here to tell you about my paper and ribbon shares. I'm already taking orders for them because my current customers have already had a sneak peek. So let's go through what the offers are. These are the papers I've got so far, which are the Garden Impressions 6x6 papers, which are gorgeous. Let me just see if I can flick through those for you. They are just so vibrant, and I mean, they're just, these are going to be just amazing to do quick cards with. So, and obviously you can use them for scrapbooking and all that good stuff. So that's that. The Share What You Love bundle, if you've been under a rock recently, you might not have seen, but this is gorgeous. It's almost card rather than paper. It's double-sided, and a lot of it, not all of it, but a lot of it, can I get that, is pearlescent. But it's gorgeous, so there'll be that. So this I've got, as I say, already. This is the Tea Room suite of papers, which I am very lucky to have in the flesh, because this was not on pre-order. So not very many demonstrators have got this, but it's gorgeous. It's a much lighter weight paper, but you get a lot more for it if you buy it in a full pack, or a lot more of it. So it would be great for envelopes, if you could bear to use it for envelopes. But I made a card yesterday with this pattern, which is this one, and it's just beautiful. Just because it's a lighter weight paper, don't think you can't use it for card making and scrapbooking. This is the one I'm going to be using for a scrapbook page. I can see it coming already. It's stunning. I'm not a great fan of Old Olive, crushed curry as a colour. But it's gorgeous, as that pattern is gorgeous, and although the colour in here is very vanilla, the neutral, I think these clean sheets, so like this one, you could use with white, so there are quite a few that you could actually put with white. So that's Tea Room. This is the, now it goes with Tranquil Texture, it's the Tranquil Textures Designer Series paper. So this, I think, is wonderful again. Very good for masculine projects, as well as, I mean, it's kind of a real neutral. It's well named because it is all textures, but really good for, as I say, masculine or, you know, neutral projects. And this one is called Nature's Poem, which is gorgeous. The new stamp set that goes with this is to go with, or to work with, Lovely as a Tree, because obviously that's one of our oldest stamp sets, and because it's our 30th anniversary this year, why wouldn't we bring back one of our oldest stamp sets, or bring something new to go with one of our oldest stamp sets. Again, great for masculine or feminine projects, wonderful. So those are just the ones that I've been able to get my hands on in pre-order. What I have put together is this flyer. There are two options on the paper. The silver option is everything is going to be 6x6, even if it's 12x12. So it's Tea Room, which we've seen, Broadway Bound, which is gorgeous, Share What You Love, which you've seen, Twinkle Twinkle, which is aimed at babies, but it's perfect for all occasions. Under the Mistletoe, which is the Christmas paper that is in the annual catalogue, so you can get ahead with your Christmas cards. Nature's Poem, Petal Promenade, Tranquil Textures, Animal Expedition, and Best Route. Nature's Poem, have I misnamed this? No, this is the Nature's Poem. Not rooted in nature. And then 6x6, Graceful Gardens, Garden Impressions, which is this one, and Tropical Escape. All gorgeous. I am not including the laser cut specialty paper, which for those of you who have already seen it in the catalogue will understand why. It's just too delicate, and you really can't cut it into single bits. You can cut into it, but you can't share it in that way. So I'm not including that. I'm not including wood textures because that was in the last annual catalogue and was the craft box that I did in, where are we, May. And I'm not including the Colour Family Designer Series papers. So there's all of the in colours and each of the colour families. There's paper. I'll grab the in colour one as an example, but I'm not including these because I think you either want them or you don't, and it's actually quite difficult, particularly with the colour families, to divide it up in a sensible way, and it started putting the price way out of most people's budget. So 6x6, one of each of the designs, will cost you, including second class postage, which is included for free. That will cost you £22. If you were to order all of the papers, it would cost you £153.50 plus your normal postage and packing. So it's a bargain. Get a bit of everything for just £22. If you go for the gold option, then anything that is 12 by 12, I will just cut in half. So it will just be a 12 by 6 sheet of each of the patterns. So it's not half a pack, it's one of each of the 12 by 12 sheets, each of the patterns. And then obviously the 6 by 6 will stay at 6 by 6, so it'll be one sheet of each of those designs, and that is £34, including free second class postage and packing. The ribbon share is, if you were to buy all of the ribbons that are new, just the new ones, it would cost you £188.75 plus your £4.95 postage and packing. I will do 1 yard, and I mean a yard, not a metre, 1 yard of each of the ribbons for £22 plus second class postage and packing. It's a total of 34 yards of ribbon. The only one that I have a slight question mark over at the moment is the ribbon leaf. Sorry, the leaf ribbon, which is gorgeous. I can't show it to you because I haven't got it. That we know is delayed. But if you want a ribbon share, as soon as it's available, I will order it and get that out to you. And if it isn't available soon enough for me to get the other ribbon shares out, then you'll still get it. You'll get it separately, and I will take the hit on the postage. So that's that. But it's all of the ribbons that are new in the catalogue. So as I say, 34 different ribbons. That includes the new baker's twines. So it's everything that is in the catalogue as new. The new in colour for the existing in colours is this lovely ruffle ribbon. Isn't that gorgeous? So pretty. And the in colour for the incoming in colours, the ribbon is this lovely grosgrain, which is super. You will see a project with that tomorrow, if my memory serves. I've used all of the in colour ribbons for my project for the design team. So yeah, right, so that's that. If you would like to order one of these, the way it works is you send me an email, and that's on my contact details, which are on my blog, linked below. So you drop me an email, say what you want, and then then I send you an invoice, and you can pay either by bank transfer, PayPal, or by cheque, and I order as you've paid. I can't because I've already got some orders, I can order on the 1st of June, but I will have to fill everything as it comes up, so I can't guarantee exactly when it'll come, because that will depend on when you order and whether I then have to refresh the order. But I will confirm that at the point when you send me the invoice. I will let you know that there is still a space on the existing share, or that you'll have to wait for the next one, and we'll obviously deal with that as and when. So if you want to combine any of the either the ribbon or the paper together, there is no discount for postage because the postage is included free anyway, so I can't discount what's already included for free. So it will come in one package. So I hope you find that interesting. Anyone who wants just a little bit of everything or wants to see it before they commit to the whole pack, it's a great way of doing it, and it just gives you a little flavour of everything. So thank you very much indeed for joining me today, and I will see you again very soon, I hope. Bye!